no knowledge with the lugat word. What did our Holiness say when he was angry with the wahhabis? These are the teachers of the lugat. What do you mean teachers of the lugat? See, he is manifesting the same mindset in others. We have hardly understood this word of His Holiness over the years. He said a word, but we wondered what it meant. As we encountered incidents, in the case of Islam Olu, also there was a problem with the teacher of the lugat. He is a dictionary teacher. I mean, how was it used? How the Prophet applied it? None of this is looked at. The book and the sunnah are ignored. Meaning is attributed to the lugat. How does this happen? The most merciful has dwelled on the throne because of the mutashabi allegorical. At the beginning of my Islamic Catechism of Iman, this subject was explained in great detail. I have explained mutashabi with details. In 120 pages, I have explained a lot. I'm talking about the faith section. He has resided. What are the Wahhabis saying now? He says he sat on the throne. Here you go, lugat. However, when you look at the vocabulary of Istiva, there are 4 more meanings. It also has the meaning of invaded. Poet says Bishi invaded Iraq. He says he came without blood, without war, and sat on the throne. But he says it invaded because he can't sit on Iraq. Did you get it? I'll sit on the chair, but I can't sit on Iraq. Then what can I do with Iraq? If I take it under my rule, it is an invasion. Means that Allah is all-powerful and victorious, and that His might and sovereignty is sovereign over the throne and all the creatures under it. What else is there? Okay, it means He sat down, but it also means invaded. It also means directed. It says He resides in the sky. What is the meaning of that verse? He meant to create the sky. It means that He directed His will there. According to each letter, the meaning also changes. Where did you get the meaning that He sat here? This is lugat. He's looking over there and he doesn't know lugat. One of the 5 lugat, he chose this one. Why did you choose this one and not the other one? You say He sat down. If you were to look at the Quran here, would you realize that this does not mean sat? Why? When you look at the other verse, there is nothing similar to Allah, nothing like Him. So when He sits, is He similar to us in sitting? All creatures sit. They cannot stand without sitting. Why does Allah subhanahu need to sit? And who created everything? What does that mean? Doesn't it mean that everything did not exist? Didn't the throne exist before? It didn't exist. Where did He sit when there was no throne? Allah forbid. You say He created the throne afterwards. Then you say that He sat on the throne and could not get up. Allah forbid. So you can't follow the lugat. What did our Holiness say? These are the teachers of the lugat. Do you understand what he means now?